Real bro.
On fire, fam. We made it. Really? That's how we're gonna start the show, just chomping away. Anyway, welcome to Jamaica. You probably could say that better.
I probably say it better.
Yeah.
Why?
Because you have a cool accent.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Jamaica.
See?
We are here again. Living the life. Without fork, spoon, and knife. No plate, no nothing.
That was good. Yeah, man, it's rustic living for right now. However, the coffee's hot and the weather's sweet.
Yeah, I got
Sonia's chocolate tea.
Yeah, with not it's cooked. Yeah, chocolate tea with nothing mega cinnamon or whatever in it.
Yeah, but it was an adventure, man. I try to get as much clips as I can, but let me just tell you, there's some differences. Like, shall I start with customs?
Custom was rough, yeah.
Customs was rough. So, leaving Kauai, we had to go through customs, and the guy looked through one of our bags, perfectly fine. And you know what he did? He put everything back together again, the same way it was, and gave us our bag back. Get to Jamaica, get to customs, and
they ravaged with the suitcase them and then said, okay, this one is on, you can fix it back now. And that's it. Yep. Every one of them they took out, then they said, oh, you can fix it back yourself.
Yeah.
Like, okay. So I won't be going through custom with so many suitcases no more, because in Kauai you cannot ship anything to Jamaica unless you go to post office, and then they kind of like send it to Jamaica, but then it costs so much money to send one small box, so it doesn't even make sense to even send it.
But we got through. We got here, and we got some things to do. We got a list of things that we're supposed to get, like forks and spoons and knives. Although
and plates, we bring some cups, but yeah, that's about it.
But we even from the airport we decided we need to get at least an air mattress. However, you go to courts, didn't have an air mattress, so what we do?
We buy a mattress instead.
We buy a regular mattress and tie it up to the top of our car, and
away we go. Wind the rain and the wind.
But we got a mattress.
Yeah, when we come here, it was raining. I'm like, every time I come to Jamaica, it's rain. I'm like, probably it's good luck just to be here. Yeah. And I'm more relaxing, more peace of mind, more happy and things. So in the US, you kind of tense. It's like you go from work to home, from work to home, from home to work. It's like it never ending. So now you're here, you get to relax a little bit. And although I wake up early, but it's okay.
Yeah, but you wake up early knowing you don't gotta go to work.
That's true.
We had to start a list of things to get because somebody decides to go out shopping. Now, the nice thing about shopping is you can only get what you can carry.
And the thing is I haven't seen my mom yet, and I'm supposed to go look for my mom.
We're going today.
It's so bad. I come from
bringing the
Tuesday, and I haven't been to my mom's house yet.
So bringing the camera along, we're gonna go find Mama. We gotta go back down to Port Maria because
maybe she's sick and thing, and I don't know because I haven't seen my sister. My phone don't work.
Boy, yeah, we got lots to figure out. Hopefully, Flo comes by today and puts the internet on so I can get this episode out to you guys. So today's hopefully the day, but yeah, a lot of little things that we have to deal with, but it's nice to be able to deal with it without having a work schedule and without having to worry about dealing with
yeah, that's my little nephew.
Oh, that's when you're talking?
Yeah.
So we made it, guys. It was a fun one. It still is a fun one. We just bought a couch set yesterday. Got that, so we have something to sit on. We got literally a mattress as a bed right now. And yeah, it's kind of the opposite. You know, Kauai, we went to get rid of everything, and now we got an empty house we got to fill.
Yeah, step by step.
Bit by bit.
Mm-hmm.
So thanks, guys, for sticking around. Appreciate everybody. Even the mosquitoes love us. It's great. So.
Yeah, it's a lot of mosquitoes. It's surprising. You have measured the window and the mosquitoes still are going at the house. It's kind of crazy because we have an open up in the doorway area, so the mosquitoes can just fly through them.
But we're getting there.
Heck, you have screen and then mosquitoes still are coming at the house.
Can't win.
That's so funny. But at least we have life and
light
and everything good.
And
so
water. Yeah.
Yeah, once you have life and you can breathe in a day, keep
Things
going.
Are good.
Yeah.
But the backyard,
God
take a look
bless.
at.
God bless us in every way. You never know it will reach so far in life, and thank God for everything. Yeah, we make it through. Well, we're saying everything, give God praise.
Yeah, we got a lot of work to do, but it's going to be fun and enjoyable, and we have the means to do it, which is going to be even more enjoyable. But I'm going to bring you guys down and go meet Mama today.
Yeah.
And you can see where my wife grew up, so that's going to be fun. But check out this backyard. We got banana, coconut, breadfruit. There's mountain apple around the corner. Yeah.
Peter said, "Oh, these coconuts are full days 1 year."
You go climb the tree?
Me. Good luck.
All right, let's get the day started. Where's your cheers?
I have banana. I ate a banana this morning.
Yeah, you did.
I'm good.
Brushed.
Brunch.
Let's go, guys. Let's do this.
Bye, guys. Take care of yourself.
We're not leaving. We're just getting started.
Where are we going? You said brush, so that's mean you're done.
No, man. That means cheers, like, to start the day.
I'm getting up off of this stuff thing. What is
all right, let's
on
go.
This?
You know you're in Jamaica when you're about to go out for the day and do something productive and get some things done, and then the rain comes. Thankfully, we'll just wait it out, but welcome to Jamaica, man.
from me.
Really?
Yeah.
Either.
Which video?
The one that says, we did it, we survived today. Oh, I gotta get closer. There you go. Get you in front. We did it. I went to Port Maria, went to courts. The card worked this time. We got a washer, a stove, a fridge. We walked up and down. We got some amazing, oh, let me tell you, yesterday, what did I get? Kidney. Kidney yesterday? Haven't had kidney in 15 years. Mwah. Is that what they do? Mwah. So you got chicken.
No, I didn't. No,
Haven't had that since yesterday?
I didn't have chicken yesterday. I have stew peas on.
Oh, pig's tail. It was good. I stole some.
Pig's tail, stew peas.
Yeah. So, yeah, man, we got through.
Stew peas with pigtail, whatever.
Yeah, it was good. Then we went to Highgate. What do we get in Highgate?
Yes, sir?
No one today. Silverware, forks, spoons, knives, plates,
dish dryer, whatever.
Dish dryer.
Thing we put dish
Oh,
in
a dryer rack for the dishes.
Yeah.
We got a couple trash cans for the bathroom. What else we get?
Huh?
What else do we get? Foolishness.
Yeah, the shiny one charged me for my umbrella again.
Yeah, Sonia was real smart. She decided to bring the umbrella that she bought at the same store yesterday in its wrapper with a price tag in her bag. And then I think she took it out and put it on the counter.
Take it out, put it,
and
stuff them in the bag.
Brings it up and she's like, "Wait, I bought that yesterday." In the
yeah,
same
because
place.
I'm like, why do they? Why you never ask question? Because you see, never there in front of the thing them. Either behind where you done check already. Why the heck are you checking it?
Because you put it on the counter for check.
No, I never did. I put it down for the. You took up the stuff and that was on the counter. They cleared the thing and go check again. Think I'm going to pay $950 for the umbrella again.
Anyway,
Whatever.
so we got everything delivered to the house. Had an adventurous journey. If I figured out how to get internet at the house, you've probably seen some of that. And now we're just enjoying the afternoon, not a sunset, afternoon thunder.
Afternoon thunder roll and rain and whatever. Yeah, rain.
Yeah. All right, so made a couple new friends today, and they wanted to introduce themselves to y'all. Y'all? Can I say y'all? But they're kind of afraid, so I'm gonna pick up the camera and not drop my microphone. And you guys, you can tell the Fiery family who you are, what's your favorite food, and
Age.
no, just your first name, and favorite food, and your favorite sport. How about that? You want to try it? Come on, you just gotta tell the camera.
My name is Craig.
Yeah.
And I like ackee sawfish.
Nice.
And fried chicken.
Okay. And what's your favorite sport? Sports. What's up?
What's up, guys? Favorite sport. Favorite sport. What's your name?
My name is Junior.
Okay.
I eat
Yeah.
bread, ackee, sawfish, dumpling, fried dumpling, banana,
And what's
And-
Poland or
fried chicken.
What's your favorite sport?
Your sport. Red, green, yellow, blue.
What place?
Piece of board.
Somebody else.
Alex, thank you. Listen.
Okay, now come.
all right. That's fine. You don't have to do it if you don't want to. Anybody else want to go? Or maybe I'll turn it off. Hold it. No, left it on. It's alright, it's still on. You see that blinking red light? That means it's still working. It just does that to save power. Anybody else? Name, what's your favorite food and your favorite sport?
Like, favorite sport?
Yeah.
Turn on the camera.
The camera's on. You see that red light? That means it's still on.
But nothing.
You're right, it's saving battery.
You don't want to look on me. It's what I'm saying.
Okay, I won't put it upon you, but you just say it. I'll face it the other way. It's facing that way now. Come on, Mario. We gotta go.
It's still the final Chat too much, man.
Yeah. Him no. Mario, last chance. I gotta turn off the camera. No, man, it's still on. You got it, Mario. 3, 2. Eh? All right, you go. All right.
Hi, my name is Dave Cunningham, and
What's your favorite food?
KFC
Okay. And
and
your favorite sport?
football.
All right. See, that's easy. You did it. Good job, man. All right. That's it. Mario, you gonna go?
Hi, my name is
All right. Next time. Next time. You're not gone as yet?
My name is Tomorrow.
Hi, my name is Tamara Greenaway.
Favorite food?
Aki and Starfish.
Favorite sport?
Football and cricket.
Okay. Good job, Mario. Yes. You wanna go again? Wanna tell them your name?
Andre.
Andre, what's your favorite food?
Apple.
You love apple? Nice. Do you like any sports? Yeah, what you like to play?
Yes.
What game you like to play?
Kiagiam.
Okay, good job, man. Give me 5. Yeah. That was a good song. Take time with the camera. All right, all right.
What's up, guys? I'm going to play football. and with Tyler, Quenner, Mario, Pri, Dave, and Craig, and so I'm going to play football now. So thumbs up this channel.
Okay. Good evening, Fiverr fam. You might notice it's a bit late, but I just wanted to spend a quick moment, maybe a few minutes, I guess. Why not? An evening coffee with you to toast the day, because I'm not going to get all sappy on you, but today was probably one of the most enjoyable days I've had in a very long time, man. It was fun. Like, been here in Jamaica a few days now and had a couple hiccups, had a couple setbacks, had to go back and forth a few times, but 2 steps forward and 1 step back, man. We definitely made a giant leap today. We had a couple of big accomplishments, man. We had the stove got hooked up, so Sonia cooked a great meal tonight. We had the Wi-Fi from Flow get hooked up, so we have internet service, so episodes will not be missed. And a really awesome thing happened today. I came home by myself with a bunch of curtains, go figure, curtains of all things. And next thing I know, there's a boy, Mario, at the gate. I just said hi, and it was really cool. I went out there and talked to him, and he asked if he could help with the curtains. And so we did, man. We started, talking and taking curtain wrappings apart and getting things ready. And then they came out of the woodworks, man. Next thing I know, there's another kid shows up. And then we get our room full of kids, and it was great, man. This is exactly why we moved to Jamaica, at least I personally wanted to come back to Jamaica, because the kids here are amazing. They're rambunctious, but they're genuine, they're curious, they are not afraid to be themselves, and man, it was just so much fun today, seeing them just pretty much take over the space, that we're living in, but just sharing some great stories, talking about who they are. And then one thing leads to another, and one of them, we talked about a soccer ball, and I happen to have a soccer ball, and the next thing I know, a couple of guys from Africa show up that are studying to be priests just down the street. And we had to talk some good story and had some good chats about life. And then the next thing I know, we're off playing a soccer match with the kids, with the guys from Africa, and that was how the end of the evening went, you know. And I don't know. I don't even have words to describe of it. This is exactly what I moved here for. I don't know, happy just does not get enough credit for the word, but I'm going to use it anyway. Yeah, I'm genuinely happy today. And sweaty, you're welcome. But this was what I came here for. And man, I got plans, man. Now we got to do stuff like, we talked about tomorrow we're supposed to make a Ludi board. I'm going to show them the video editing, and they're all excited about the YouTube videos. So if you want to see more of the kids in Jamaica, our neighbors, feel free to let us know in the comments. I'll definitely pass the word on because they're really genuinely curious, and I'm really curious about where this could possibly go. Even talked about, setting up some sort of academic learning program. Go figure, the teacher, right? Where maybe they could earn some rewards by doing some work. And we've just got the Wi-Fi set up, so we've got some technology that the kids can enjoy if they get their work done. I mean, I'm just telling you, the sky's the limit, and just knowing that I don't have to go to work and this is what it could be like each day is just, it's been a good day. So special evening monologue and self-appreciation of just everything working out today the way it did, and just excited for where things are going in the future. So I'm going to have an evening coffee. I might be a while. I can now edit a bunch of videos to get them to you guys because I got some great stuff coming your way, and I appreciate you guys following us along, and I'm excited for where this journey is going to go. So good coffee evening to you, or tea, and we'll see you on the other side.
I hope in your will depart from me, ye evildoers, for I will keep the commandments of my God. According to your will, that I may live, and let me be assured, my Lord.